Atomic Habits by James Clear is a best-selling book that explores how small, incremental changes can lead to significant personal and professional growth over time. The book focuses on the science of habit formation and how to build good habits while breaking bad ones. Clear presents a framework known as the 4 Laws of Behavior Change, which serves as a practical guide for creating positive habits. Key concepts: the power of tiny habits. Clear emphasizes that small habits, when repeated consistently, compound over time. Success comes from daily improvements rather than radical changes. The habit loop. Habits are formed through a feedback loop consisting of 4 stages. Cue, the trigger that initiates the habit. Craving, the motivation behind the behavior. Response, the actual habit or action. Reward, the benefit gained from completing the habit, reinforcing its repetition. The 4 Laws of Behavior Change. To make a habit stick, Clear suggests following these principles. Make it obvious. Design your environment to trigger the desired habit easily. Make it attractive. Pair the habit with something you enjoy, creating a craving for it. Make it easy. Reduce friction by breaking habits into small, manageable steps. Make it satisfying. Reinforce the habit with a positive reward or sense of accomplishment. The role of identity. Clear argues that sustainable behavior change starts with changing your identity. Instead of focusing on outcomes, concentrate on becoming the type of person who naturally exhibits the desired behaviors. For example, if you want to become a writer, focus on becoming someone who writes daily, rather than aiming to write a book. Habit stacking and environment design. Habit stacking is a technique where you pair a new habit with an existing one, making it easier to adopt. Environment design focuses on arranging your surroundings to make good habits more accessible and bad ones less appealing. The plateau of latent potential. Progress is often slow at first, but small habits compound over time. This leads to breakthroughs after a period of persistence, often referred to as the plateau of latent potential. Clear uses this to highlight the importance of sticking with habits even when results aren't immediately visible. The Goldilocks Rule. Clear introduces the Goldilocks Rule, which states that humans experience peak motivation when working on tasks that are just on the edge of their abilities, challenging but not overwhelming. Tracking and measuring. Clear encourages habit tracking as a tool for accountability and motivation. By visually marking your progress, you're more likely to stay consistent. Conclusion: Atomic Habits provides a comprehensive, actionable approach to habit formation by combining scientific research with practical advice. It emphasizes that small, consistent changes, aligned with your identity, can lead to remarkable results over time. The key is not to focus on big transformations, but on mastering the process of continuous improvement. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this summary helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and growing.